So I'm reading these letters, among members social media, MKP, where Speaker suspends them. I think for me, what came to mind was to ask myself, if I recall AMA rules, does the Speaker have powers to suspend the members? Yes, Speaker has powers to suspend the members, but when she can do that, Section 63 RFA, Speaker can suspend members immediately using Section 66. So what Speaker should have done, Oguti, she should have named these members during the sitting by names as individuals if invoke Section 63. Then bese applies Section 66 ukuba suspender for these 5 days akhuluma ngawo. But akakwazi Speaker by the same rules ukuthi akwenze after sitting has been adjourned. Akakwazi ukwenza lokho Speaker. So this decision yokuba suspender is not in line with the rules that the Speaker is applying, because she was presiding the meeting. The only time where a Speaker can have this decision after a meeting is when the presiding officer was not a Speaker, because the presiding officer must then engage with the Speaker. Then in their consultation, then they come up with a sanction. But that sanction within 2 sitting days must then be tabled in the House and communicated. Now, in this case, what the Speaker has done, uzenze presiding officer ongeyena Speaker, but she was a Speaker. Uma invoke Section 63 1A, that section, it yena Speaker at the same time was supposed to suspend those members using Section 66, because ukhuluma ukuthi refer to Section 63 and invoking Section 66 to suspend my members. But I was suspended afterwards, because that section referred to immediate suspension if a fila ukuthi keep a member we house is not enough. But nakhona you name members, Section 63 uthi naming and suspension of a member, awukhuluma about members. So yena, she is making a ruling on 37 members. What the Speaker should have done right now, after ehlulekile, when suspension immediately, because I'm going to invoke this section immediately, not afterwards. So it's now outside the rules akwenzayo. So this can be challenged by those affected. But the issue njengamanje ukuthi uSpeaker should have taken this matter to ethics committee, where ethics committee can look at individual misconduct and charge them accordingly. Because awukwazi ukuthi ungavele usuyile group of 37 uthi they have the same misconduct, because ngenze komunye bemile omunye beshouta esho amagama mhlawumbe ngamela awasho kodwa bemile azangasho lutho. So now you are grouping them, so you can't group abantu with sanction. So I think the Speaker here got it wrong, but more also I think MKP need to read AMA rules so that they can able to fight their battles within AMA rules, because without reading AMA rules you will end up being really a football stadium for the Speaker, because Speaker will always abuse AMA powers now. Because in this case, for example, the Speaker have no powers to suspend these members, not at all. And I'm that strange. No one have challenged the Speaker. Does he have powers to suspend these members after a sitting? The understanding I have of AMA rules, Speaker, yes, when our mandla during the sitting, but after a sitting, akasena amandla to suspend these members. Into kufanele yenze ukuba refer ku ethics committee. Funa khona the breach abanayo ili breach ka 1661 ekhuluma kakhulu yona ke ikhuluma ngendaba ye misconduct, a grossly disorderly conduct of a member. But otherwise MKP can challenge this decision, because Speaker have no powers according to section ayikhotayo. Speaker uyena okhotha wrong sections basically, unless makuthi khona enye, but la ikhotayo akanamandla ukuyisebenzisa after sitting. Kwakumele ayenze immediately isanction, asho ukuthi ba suspend for 5 days according to Section 66, hayi afterwards. Afterwards kumele base ku ethics, and as individual funa khona you can't charge abantu as a group, because ayifani misconduct yabo.